Ay nani yazibonela guys ne intro angazi yabo mina angeke ngize ngisho anything when it comes to introduction but yena uzozisho ukuthi ubani. Please introduce yourself ku ama viewers wethu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and the reason you here today.
Yango ya show nongolozo number 1 show phezulu kweshona namanje kugcina bayabalabala basazogodola boringo uPop Mabena bafethu head coach Real Madrid FC. Dango.
Okay. So coach, tell us about igame yanamhlanje. What does it mean to you and what are some of your expectations about igame yanamhlanje?
Today's game is first of all is very personal. I think we got Itro's favile, we got a chance to avenge ourselves playing against hip hop. They know we have a score to settle, so it's a very big game for us. Yeah, and expectations as always, we always play out to win. We have no other expectations. I think the only thing we're adding is revenge, so far and spice revenge, but yeah, overall it's a very personal game and we're going out full force.
Okay. So it's like lento yakho coaching since you coach Real Madrid, right? So is it something that have you ever been like a coach or or something like just a few nje kancane nje?
Well, I think it stems from ekudlaleni kwami, you know, always trying to be and wanting to be and showcasing my leadership skills on the field. Yeah, but so when we started out again this time around, besingana ku coaching department, and I decided let me rather not be a player because and then other kids have other gents have the opportunity, and it's always been that thing and it's been going quite well, you know. Yeah, so that's where it comes from. It's not like ngazalwa coach nje nami ngithe hayi awuthi ngizinikeze leyo responsibility, leyo courage, leyo position leyo, and then let's see how it goes, and it's been going well so far.
Okay, so Mo mentioned like I caught like two things, ne? One, it's about leadership. So what do you think makes a great leader? And a few pyramid since you said you played.
What makes a great leader? I think being able to communicate well, understanding and being a great team player. You know, if you can work with other people, and then a strong voice. You know, so yeah. And then the teams I've played for started out from primary school, so I used to play for my primary. I played for my high school as well, and then there's a team called St. Mary's. That's one team I played for my whole entire life actually. Go under 10 up until I go open, and then that's where life decided no, when I said music industry.